things aren't changing for you, if you still have stubborn weight issues and symptoms that won't go away, you have to consider the possibility that some of what you think is healthy is not, and open yourself up to learning and experiencing some other stuff. Everyone is suffering. I mean, not everyone. Most people that we come across that are not trying to do this are having a really difficult time figuring this stuff out. And it stands to reason that maybe the advice that we've been given for the majority of our lives might not be correct, or might be at least partially incorrect. Because if it was correct, most of us would be doing the right thing. You look back 150 years ago and we had none of the chronic degenerative disease issues that we have today. The main ones that plague us, like metabolic syndrome, heart disease, high blood pressure, diabetes, pre-diabetes, cancer, autoimmune conditions, these things were almost unheard of 150 years ago. And then 150 years ago, what was our diet? If you look back 150 years ago, we were eating real food, and we were eating a lot of animal foods, and we were eating a lot of traditional fats and animal fats and dairy fats. And now you fast forward to where we are right now, and how have things changed? Well, of course, we have this modern lifestyle, we have all the technology and conveniences and distractions and pollution and EMFs and radiation. But then from a dietary perspective, we've reduced the amount of animal meats and saturated fats that we're consuming, and the amount of sugar and refined carbohydrates and wheat and industrial seed oils and have all skyrocketed. And so what is the true problem? What is it that we're doing that is contributing to all this chronic degenerative disease? It's not the animal foods. It's not the saturated fats and traditional fats. It is the increase in processed food. That is it.